So check this out. This is an electric moped. Its brand is Huck, H-U-C-K. And they're carried here in Moto Village in Hamburg. It's on, I'm not sure if this is technically Pleasant. I'll get the exact address. I think it's 373 Pleasant. But it's really cool. So the battery's up here. The control system's back here. Throttle's up front. Does not have a clutch, so it's going to be your front brake and your rear brake instead. I'm really excited to try this. I just stopped here today to pick up a battery for my bike because the stupid thing decided to die over winter. And the shop owner is just like the coolest guy in the world. So funny. So he's like, yeah, man, I'm going to go out cruising with you. And he was going to have me ride one called Pinky, but Pinky's dead, unfortunately. So I get to ride this guy. And it's got 3 different power modes. So yeah, we're going to start this off on power level 1 and go from there. Very cool. What is your name?
Delaney.
Delaney. Will, pleasure to meet you.
Welcome to Moto Village.
Thank you for having me here. Yeah, super cool experience.
So you know, I got to fill it and charge it. Okay. All right. Yep. And then put the top on and it's sealed. Okay.
Perfect. All right, cool. So this one says dual drive. I'm assuming it's delivering power to the front as well?
Yeah, 2-wheel drive. Yep.
Is that a different experience when you're turning?
It won't let you do a wheelie.
Well, that's fine. I don't like doing wheelies.
So it has a little bit of power transfer from one to the other, like a slip and grip, like kind of like all-wheel drive, but not really.
What's a slow turn like with that? Like if you're on the bike, you get up on your pegs and you just rotate it and try to do the tightest little turn. Is it a different experience handling this bike?
Well, that has a really nice low center of gravity, so it's very easily manageable.
Okay. You don't feel like the front pulls on you though?
Oh, because of the...
Yeah.
No, only in gravel.
It's because you can feel it slip a little bit?
And that's on the initial go, because our tendency as riders is to give it some throttle.
Yeah.
And that front wants to go. But so once you get into the idea of management of it, it's fine. Yep. It's a really well-balanced, really thought-out machine. We talked about brakes. High beam, low beam, just like you'd be used to. Your horn's going to be here. Turn signals, they are not self-canceling.
So push it in?
Yep. Your headlight has to be on, otherwise it won't let you go out of echo mode.
Okay, that's smart.
So,
that's actually a really cool safety feature.
Yes. Yep. Alrighty?
I'm good to go. I'll follow you.
Okay.
Very interesting. All right, so keys underneath. Once it's on, if I give throttle, it goes. So we're not going to make that mistake. Very interesting. Oh yeah, okay. I'm good. I'm right behind you, brother. I promise. This is so weird going this fast and it being quiet. It gets up and goes, man. I'm doing 30 miles an hour and I don't hear a sound but the wind. You guys probably hear it like crazy. This is such a cool bike, man. All right, so first impressions. It's definitely lightweight. This is a fun bike to ride, guys. What a unique experience, man. I slightly turn and it's immediately like, okay, we'll go that way.
Yeah.
It feels...
The seating position on that is very much a sport bike feel with it.
I feel like that lean forward, yeah.
So just a little bit of weight distribution will get you your turning that you want to get in. Why don't you go ahead and take it up to 3. It doesn't really affect your power delivery. It just opens up your higher top end speed.
All right. So it doesn't just suddenly jump on me now.
Right.
Okay. This is really cool. What made you guys get into this? What made you decide to go this route?
A couple different things. Just want to follow the electric growth trend, see where that's going.
It's going somewhere, man. That's for sure.
And just actually the idea of smaller CC markets growing right now too.
Oh yeah, Power 3's definitely got more juice to give. This, I mean, look guys, this, I just shift my hips and it's like riding a bicycle. This feels like riding a bicycle with a pretty decent sized motor on it. It gives you a voltage readout, a travel readout. You've got a clock, an odometer, your speedometer. Handles bumps pretty decently. So far everything's comfortable. I can touch the ground flat-footed, which is surprising for me having such a small inseam. I feel like it could accommodate a larger rider than me by quite a bit, and even a smaller one at that. So that actually puts this in a pretty versatile sizing platform. Now I don't know what may come for customization options on this, but you know, if you know anybody who can work with any material, they can make something for you if it's not good enough for you. But for me, I don't see anything I would change about this right out of the gate. It's definitely fun. It gets up on it.
Wanna switch?
I would love to switch. Yeah, that'd be cool.
So this bike controls high beam, low beam, turn signals a switch instead. Your horn's going to be located there. Here's your engine off, engine run, and your ignition is here.
Okay.
You're going to really enjoy the center of gravity on this one.
Okay.
And, just a different seating position as well.
Literally the only thing I didn't like about that was that I'm not used to riding a bicycle anymore, so the offset legs was the only thing. But you obviously have options that are more normal.
Yep.
Very cool, man.
This one is designed to be a workhorse of an off-road bike, but also you can register it fully as a moped.
Really?
So.
Now, let me ask you a question. What's the price ranges on stuff like these?
So this company starts at $69.95.
Okay.
With this all aluminum frame, fully adjustable front suspension, fully adjustable rear suspension.
Okay. Oh, so it's welded aluminum. Nice.
40 to 60 mile range in the kind of area that we're in. Optimal conditions, you're going to get 75 miles per charge with a 6-hour charge from empty.
No kidding.
These ones start at $43.50 and go up.
Longevity of a battery and like cost to replace it. I mean, you can expect a battery like this to last several years, I assume, right?
Well, maintenance of your battery is key for how long it's going to last.
Okay, so there's some responsibility you have with this bike, just like any other.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And lithium batteries give us the long range for riding, but they do, yes. But the cost to replace them is a little bit high. Yep.
Okay.
How are you, sir?
Ooh. Oh, that seat's nice. Oh, this is more of an upright ride.
Yeah.
That's my riding style.
Right. A little bit more upright, a little more comfortable.
No power modes on this, correct?
Nope. That one's just
all or nothing.
And that'll top you out at 30. And you'll see on this one, your usage is here, so it goes up as you're using, and then at 0 means you're not using. Then as you're applying brakes, you'll see it giving how much regenerative power you're giving back going down.
Oh, that's recharging the battery. Well, I gotcha.
Yep. And then on the other side, that's how much battery you have left.
Very nice. Keep on wanting to push down into first gear. I'll follow you again.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Okay, so immediately the center of gravity is very different. Oh my god. Okay, I like the way this one handles more. When you wibble wobble, the center of gravity is easier to find because the seat's right on it. Now this is full power right now at 30 miles an hour. It's not going to blow you away with speed on this model. I do like the center of gravity. Very good.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, yeah. It puts your, this is like dead center of gravity on a turn. Very, very comfortable.
A little bit more thrill with this one, just because you get more top end speed, where that one limits you at 30, but it's just such a more capable feel.
Yeah, I wonder how low you'd have to go to scrape peg. Braking is very responsive.
How much are those?
Follow us. Follow us.
Yeah. The electric? Yes, sir. We sell them right here at Moto.
I'm a customer. I had a blast, yeah. I didn't even, you know, I'm in the same boat as you. I didn't know they were here. I came here looking for a battery for my motorcycle, and here I am test driving a bike now, so.
Yeah. Looking for a battery and end up riding a battery.
Yeah, that's how it works. Super cool, man. So there you have it, guys. Moto Village. And this one is what brand now?
UBCO.
UBCO. UBCO?
Yeah. Stands for Utility Bike Company.
What's your website? Do you guys have a website?
MotoVillageInc.com.
MotoVillageInc.com. All the extra customization options you have here for these. So if you're not interested in riding two up, you can give yourself a little seat bump. Different tires. I'm not sure if those are different specs or different colors, but I just noticed these and I wanted to show you that the seats that they come with already have customization options, and I'm sure there's more available. So let's do this here, guys. Huck Stinger, 3,000 watts. Come down here and talk to the ownership guys. These guys are super cool, super friendly. There's a bunch of different looks on the bikes that you can go for. Look at this. That is cool. They kind of have like almost like a cafe racer kind of style to them. Quality headlamps. I mean, those are really, really nice. The ride was super comfortable. Here's a new version of what I just got off of. Here's the Pinky I almost rode. And here's what I think is my favorite looking one right here.
Thank you.
That's a Captain America moped if I've ever seen one. In fact, this is what Captain America is going to be riding into the battle on the next movie. I don't know if you knew that. Here's the deets. So hey guys, thanks for stopping in and checking out the video. If you liked what you saw, give the video a thumbs up and show this place some love, man. I had an absolutely exceptional experience there, and I did want to go ahead and disclose to you that this gentleman had no knowledge that I recorded videos until I told him, until the bikes were outside and we were getting ready to ride. Then I pulled my helmet out, he saw the GoPro, I had the conversation. I was not treated differently because he knew that I was recording. Everything was the same from the moment I walked through the door to the moment I had the conversation to the time I left. And I feel like it's so rare to find a place that treats its customers so well, that has such a quality staff and setup, who's cognitively thinking ahead on how to better service their customers. And you know, honestly, this place is amazing. They're going to be expanding as time goes on. You'd be smart to get in there and check them out before they become, you know, too popular to the point where you're going to have to schedule your inspections and stuff like that far out. But they do inspections. They work on regular bikes. They've got multiple lift stations in the back. It's a great place. And Delaney, thank you for your time today. Thank you so much for such a wonderful and unique experience. And I really hope that people who watch this video who are nearby come and check out your store, because you deserve all the success in the world. And I'll stop in and see you guys as soon as I can. So everybody, thank you very much, and I'm going to shoot this one out to the world.